Biakamal ka NewTube. Welcome to NewTube. In today's lesson, we are going to learn about some of the English and Tongnas basic phrases. I believe these phrases are very useful, and you should take this lesson serious. And lesson banang ye jagwa same kan ka dobrini to go along to gajen odong de karan de kan ngech. Banake kul nyokom nang ko na ka Tongna scale gwa mene. Gorno jin bi nyuan as ko kin ka chuje poro jin o jin bi subscribe ka YouTube ni chang lana gorno ba lesson ba jala rech ki ba video ba jalat ka kwi nene kono goro jeno de kan English de kan ngach ka de ka tongno de kan ngach ani chan je tok kamanyam. The child is looking at its mother. The child is looking at its mother. Its mother la its me raje kamich rach de kon nang de ka tongnat ka dobran de kon nang ja gujede de je translated menang kon ka tongnora the child's looking at his mother. Gat guicha naman la gat guicha naman. The child's looking at its mother. Gat guicha man ke de kon ni ma de kon watch. The child's looking at its mother. Gat guicha man. Dio ya da gwanam ci kono nang. Rode, she has a cat and it is beautiful. She has a cat, it is beautiful. De ko nang de katong nat, de ko nang no. Okay. Nyamo te ke nyao. Ka nyamo gwa. She has a cat, it is beautiful. Jen te ke nyao ka nyao magwa gwada me te mugora ba nyoga ya kelten adi nan gwas me chele jen te ke nyao ala shi me raje ka kwinyan. Okay, anyok kada me cat ala shi ngai kone shi a mishal ke a pronoun. Okay, ala single pronoun. Cat foinde ala nyao chere kan non bane de kon dar non jen ri a shodu horka she has a cat. Gwad michale it is beautiful. Ala name cat me ko en noun ni jen chaje beger ke it gwad me katudan telekon it duno de kona nang ke jen nyao nyok jen te ke nyao ka nyao mugwa. She has a cat, it is beautiful. No it raja kang lot kani jen nyao men ngwa da men ka nyao mugwa dio je bi form laram bi ngach dio dien it is 7 o'clock now. It is 7 o'clock now. Jen ta barrow and tama la it chale jen a jen ba ko kana specified jen a singular pronoun chime kon en gwad men it chala in place of cat it ko jen a michroch it gwas it is 7 o'clock now chikona no jen ta baro on tama kie ta baro on tama mullo kono ma de kon yogor ta baro en tama bidag den bi chunga de gwana jen ta baro on tama. What time is it? Njai tijun wata dongli we. It is 7 o'clock now. Eta baro and teme. Jen eta baro and teme. Jen nanga je in form of it guatamo. But the Ngwandian, it is 10 miles from the city. A la mile jen tem la tem ke nandorka. Te ke mali well ka which indeed ke kam de bar ka je te ka mali well ka which indeed ala mal a measurement of distance menan ka gwadamo. It is 10 miles from the city. Te ka mali well ka which indeed micha jiti kana modi gor no jen te ka mali to shop ka well ka which indeed lo lot kana distance on gwadame it is 10 miles from the city. The Indian Guasame It has been raining for 3 days. It has been raining for 3 days. It has me jen che dam ka kor nini dang diok. It has been raining for 3 days. Jen che te dam ka kor nin dang baro. Jen che dam duno michi to gwada me. Ko jen it has been raining ngoda dem. Jen te konager te dema ka kor nini dang diok. Jen te dema ka nin dang diok. Ka kor nini dang diok. Alo, it has been raining for 3 days. Don't me take a translation in the translate ke okay. Jen te dema ka kor nini dang diok. Ala mungode we ke me dema ntama kana to. Micha awo te alo ngode te tenong gwada mone kana roda na kana na kapchon. Jen te dema ka kor nin dang diok ntama. Jen te dema ka nin dang diok. De kon wujum gor kon jen te dema kor ka nin dang diok de kon ka nin dang diok. Alo ngode kana roda kapchon. 6 ke bakalen. It was you who did it. Okay. It was you who did it. A jin and me lade. A jin and me lade. Misharante mishalat don't could join it was you who did it. A jin and me lade. A jin and me lade. Don't take misharana lat di lare no. A jin and me lade. It was you who did it. No. A jin and me lade. Number 7. What a beautiful scene it is. No. La scenes gwat me chere ke mugwa mtedi ki gwan mugwa mtedi. Gwat mugwa mtedi ki scene mugwa mtedi. La scene chere ke o mte mugwa mchitu gwada mo yelot komone. Achene kon la ke movie ke la movie ne la kan ka shoot temichal ke scenes ke mete michi to gwad don te miro la mu gwa micha la don gwad mo e scene sana mo gwad mu gwa mitedi e scene mi gwa mitedi don de la no ka to English wana ka badek dien. I love Mac, it never lack. I love Mac, it never lack. Gwada ma lotke dong de gujeno ngum cha gor gwada me rama me lara jenana han naka computer Mac ko cha jenya mille pro ke mille dangwane ala en naka. Okay, I think I made a mistake here. Na goma en naka computer Mac ko cha jenya mille brode. Mac, see, la Mac computer. I love Mac, it never lack. En naka computer Mac ko cha jenya kide larno cha jenya en naka Mac cha jenya milele non man noguje ko cha jenya. That might be the reason no krammoje en naka computer Mac ko cha jenya mille parole. Jen gwadan ande kon chokten mi jiram jidit ban chong gwada mi jiram jidit gore bi nyo anasin ko ken en shuje paru jeno bi subscribe ka bi nyo kanasin ko ken jenda na gore de nyo yekel na me en biata kamal. Bye bye.